Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically separate these text to each columns by the commas. So make sure you have comma, you don't need a space. So for instance, you have this product name, expiration date or year or aisle number. Of course these are random, this is just an example. So you're just going to pretty much select everything. So shift or select that. Oops, okay, maybe not, just select it like this. And you're just going to simply select data and you're just going to select split text to columns, and that's it. You can detect the separator automatically. There's comma, semicolon, period, or space, or custom. Because my one is comma, it detected immediately. So it divided it into the 3 columns. You can also use semicolon, don't really know how to say that, period, or space. But yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.